I am here on the WebWayOne stand here, joined by Chris Brennan, who's the Managing Director. Hi Chris, how you doing?
Yeah, very well, thanks, very well.
Brilliant. So, I want to find out a bit more about what WebWayOne actually does and who it does it for, please.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we're an alarm transmission signalling provider, and we provide a secure IP signalling network to major installers and independent installers worldwide, all across the world.
Okay, so your customers, as it were, even though everyone who enters buildings, everyone really one way or another benefits from it. Installers are your main customers.
Installers, monitoring stations. It's really transitioning the industry from analog and PSTN type communications really onto the internet. So connecting any legacy alarm panel or modern alarm panel and connecting that to the internet for secure communications and remote service.
Sure. And how long have you guys been in operation for?
Well, we've been in operation since '99, so 15, 16 years. And we've grown to about 50,000 plus connections, operate in 10 different countries, and connected to our network is about 200 monitoring stations worldwide.
So quite a scale there. You've been on a good ride with the internet so far. Talk to me about some of the technologies that you are showing off this year at IFSE.
Sure, well, we've always had a range of communications devices to connect alarm panels to. We call them the Pro and the Mini. The Pro is really for the enterprise customer, the Mini for small business and high-end domestic approved alarm signaling, specified by insurers. And we're bringing out a Nano platform at the show, which will be available to buy in July from our website. It's 3G communications, so connecting a legacy panel to 3G roaming networks on the mobile provider side, and that's really so that installers can start to remotely service legacy panels and then also potentially connect them to monitoring stations too. So really small platform, really powerful device, and later in the year we'll add to that a Wi-Fi connection, so you can either have Wi-Fi single path, 3G single path, or completely wireless dual path signaling.
And is that what you've got in your hand just here?
In my hand, just there, yeah, if you'd like to look at that. So it's got an embedded SIM, it has the 3G module on the back of the board, the antenna, has serial connections to all the leading alarm panel manufacturers, so your Honeywells, Texacoms, Pyronics, all the other great manufacturers that work with us to deliver secure signaling for installers.
And as you say, building on that with Wi-Fi capabilities for more diverse signals later on in the year.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Wi-Fi is going to be a big thing, I think, for security installers, especially in the domestic market. You have a lot of issues with cabling any system, whether it's PSTN or broadband, and in the domestic scenario, so many routers have Wi-Fi, and we've got a great secure solution for that, and a really neat platform for it.
Terrific. Talk to me about what you're doing working with developers.
Sure, it's a really exciting thing that we're launching at the show is our developer program. We call it WebWayCode. We've always worked very closely with manufacturers to sort of share their protocols with us so that we can integrate closely to them. But we also realise that manufacturers have their own cloud services, so we've now developed APIs into our receivers so that we can share data, even when it's our comms device connected to their panel or cameras or whatever it might be. We can then push that data into their cloud services for them to present to their end users. Equally, we could take data from their services and route that data to monitoring stations that are connected to us. So much more open and much more collaborative service.
Terrific. That's great stuff, Chris. Is there anything else that visitors here will see when they come and visit you guys on your stand?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we want to show a bit of a vision for the future. That's what we're always about, is bringing something new. So we think that there'll be much more collaboration. We want to be able to show eventually, information from different devices in one screen, whether that's for the end user in an app or mobile browser, or it could be screens from the ARC or the manufacturer themselves. So pleased to talk to people about that sort of vision, where that's going for next year. But in addition to that, all the products at the show will get their Cert Alarm certificate for the highest standard of European certification and approval. So yeah, we'll be announcing that as well. So a bit of vision for the future, bit of certification for today, and new technology in 3G and Wi-Fi.
That's good stuff. Finally, Chris, just talk to me about IFSEC. You guys have been here before?
Many years, yeah, many years. We always use IFSEC to really showcase our technology, show it off to our international partners and our UK partners as well. We love to bring something new here. It's a great show for us, great platform, really good audience, and we love coming to London. It's a great atmosphere, a bit different for us. Come up to the city. We're based in Newbury and in Berkshire, but brilliant venue and brilliant audience.
Well, listen, Chris Brennan from WebWayOne, thank you so much for joining us today. Have a wonderful rest of time here at IFSEC 2015.
Pleasure.